Everyone, welcome, guys. Welcome. Had a great day today. Great day for the markets. Dow was up over 520 points, guys. All right, so we'll go over that. Um, hey, Saga, welcome, Saga, welcome. Hey, Stella, welcome, Stella. Hey, Weebly, welcome, welcome. Hey, guys, welcome, guys, welcome. All right. So big day in the markets. All right. No, this should not be a surprise, right? We've been talking about this. All right. We've had buy signals on the indexes, buy signals on several of the sectors. All right. So this should not be a surprise to any of our traders. All right. And we've been sending equity picks out for several weeks. I think, but at least a couple of months. All right, 2 to 3 months. Okay. But what I would like to go over this evening is this. Now, I sent this out earlier today. Hey, Solomon, welcome. Which is the buy signal on the Dow, guys, on the weekly time frame. All right. This is a big deal. This is a big deal because we are breaking through a big resistance on the Dow. All right. So if you guys look here, this is the buy signal. I'll bring it in closer here. So this buy signal right here, all right, came in today for this week of price action on the Dow. So we had a big break of resistance. All right, that's guys, it's a big deal. All right, that doesn't mean it will last, right? We had a buy signal here. This was back in what date was that? 7/2023. That failed. All right. So that was what's that? July. This one here, it's breaking out. All right. Absolutely breaking out. Now, what's important to know is that we are this far, right here, this far from the all-time high. So right here, we're about 500 points, which is we were up 500 points today, guys. All right, we finished 520 points up today. So we're only 500 points from the all-time high. And that's important because if we can break through the all-time highs, as a matter of fact, let's do this here. We could see it will be a big deal. Everyone will be talking about it. All right. And the institutions will also watch it. And perhaps you guys know when the price breaks resistance, that's a new level where traders will come in. Big institutions will really start to push the price higher. And we have no resistance, right? There's no resistance after getting past, right, this resistance here, all right, which is the all-time high. So we could see the price go much, much higher. All right. So keep that in mind. We will take a look at equities this evening, but this is a big deal. It's a big deal. It's the first buy signal on the weekly time frame on any of the indexes. All right. So the Dow has the first buy signal. No buy signal yet on the NASDAQ, but if we can break through that resistance and we're right there, we could get a buy signal. If it breaks through in this area in here. All right, S&P, right? Same thing. We're approaching resistance here. If it breaks out, here's the all-time highs on the S&P. So it's very, very similar to the Dow, but S&P needs to break out and then give a buy signal. So markets are setting up really, really well. All right, really, really well. Russell still holding. All right, but good price action on the daily time frames. All right, look at the Dow, guys, on the daily time frame. All right, look at the Dow here, and we do have a buy signal on the daily time frame. Look at that price action there. All right, VIX is at below 13, so 1292. All right. NASDAQ was down for the day. All right. But, structure hasn't changed. Still holding fine. All right. Green candles here. S&P was up. Russell was up. Okay. All the sectors are up except for energy, which is what we want right now. All these need to be up. All right. All right, perfect, perfect. So big deal, right? Great news. Um, Equity markets are definitely breaking out. Okay, especially the Dow. Let's take a look at current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper first. Okay, and we'll try to get through these quickly this evening. Aussie dollar gave a sell signal to close. All right, so to exit that position. So we'll go ahead and close that. So Aussie dollar buy signal was here, right? Broke support, sell signal, closed that trade. So Aussie dollar, all right, close that trade. So let's remove it here. All right, so that rotation is definitely over with the Aussie pairs. Aussie CAD, all right, same thing, guys. Buy signal here, broke support right here. Yellow line is support. Red candles here. Sell signal. This white arrow here. Buy our system. Close the trade. All right. So Aussie CAD close the trade. So that rotation is done. Okay. In the Aussie pairs. New Zealand dollar, we might see the same type of price action. Oh, it's holding. All right. So New Zealand dollar is holding fine. All right. Trading nicely up. All right, the trend line. So New Zealand dollar is fine. New Zealand CAD, all right, a bit of a pullback, but holding buy signal all the way down here. The buy signal for New Zealand dollar is all the way down here, guys. So trading well. All right. Um, and New Zealand Swiss buy signal is here. Pull back, right? We just need that price action to move higher. Pound SGD holding. All right. Um, I just forgot. We will look at after we go through these. We'll take a look at. I want to show you great trade, great trade. So I'm hoping you guys took advantage of the trade in the US 30. Great trade going in US 30. So we'll take a look at that. Pound SGD buy signal here. That's holding purpose support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. All right. Keep an eye on it there. Uh, Short positions in Monster Scalper. Short positions in Monster Scalper. And we'll look for picks this evening, guys. I know we did not last night. We look for new opportunities in both equities. With a big update like this, we'll definitely take a look at stocks, okay? And see what we can find with Forex. TRY, JPY, all right? Sell short signal is here, right? Purpose support and resistance, that's fine. White candles, we need those sellers to come in, push that price lower. All right. If you guys get a green candle, buy to cover signal, just close your trade there. TRY, JPY, HKD. All right, JPY. All right, we have a sell short signal here. All right. White candle, but we've got sellers coming back in here. Just keep in mind, we're way down here. All right. So as the equity markets move higher, all right, we could see, right, the yen pairs move higher too. So just be careful. All right. And we're trading near support, right? Support levels here, but it could move lower. Dollar HKD, USD, USD HUF, close that trade. That's a concern. That was a concern. We saw the dollar pairs moving lower, guys, and we missed some of those trades. But I think it's too late. All right. So sell short signal here, green candles, close that trade. Sell buy to cover signal, close that trade. So USD HUF, all right. Close that trade. All right. EUR, EUR SEK, same thing. All right. Close that trade. Buy to cover right here. All right. All right. Guys, we haven't been taking shorts, and this is why, right? We've been mainly long. But the dollar trade, short trade has done well. It has done well. We just missed the start of it. Okay. Let's see here. So Forex dominator, long positions, long positions. All right. Aussie yen buy signal is here. That's holding fine. Swiss yen. All right. Buy signal moving up nicely, following its trend line there. Euro yen buy signal here. Got some white candles holding. We need buyers to come back in like this here. All right. So Euro yen, nothing to do. Pound yen moving up nicely there. New Zealand yen. All right. Looking to break resistance here. Buy signal here. All right. Not bad there. SGD JPY. That's your Singapore dollar yen. Buy signal here all the way up here. We got a white candle here, but it's holding support right here. So we need buyers to come back in, continue to follow. I don't think it might be overbought, but let's let it let it do its thing. Okay, so hopefully we get green candles to come back in, buyers to come back in. Aussie CAD buy signal here, holding. These are as the CAD pairs. Oh boy. Okay. All right. So Euro CAD is failing to hold above resistance. All right. Big, big white candle came in right here. All right. Now this on the daily time frame. Buy signal here. Guys, look at this here. This is where, all right, sellers came in before, here, here, and here. They're not holding that price above resistance. Okay. So big white candle here. All right. We'll close this trade. So EURCAD, close that trade. EURCAD. All right. Close that trade. Um, in Forex dominator. Okay. All right. Let's remove this. New Zealand CAD. All right, that's moving up nicely, following that upward trend line here. Nothing to do there. EURTRY. All right. EURTRY still holding a pullback, a bit of a pullback, but still holding. EURHKD. All right, that's holding. EURSGD. All right. White candle here, purple support and resistance. Close this trade here. All right. It could head back down to support down here. All right. So broke support, purple support and resistance. All right. That's not good. All right. So EUR SGD, close that trade in Forex dominator. Okay. All right. EURUSD, all right, that's holding still green candles here, all right. Keep an eye on it. We need buyers to come back in, test resistance. Now, if you get a white candle here, if anyone is in this, you might just take profits. Buy signal was here and be done, all right. The euro pairs are struggling, all right, a bit right now. So, okay, shorts. Let's take a look at shorts. So short positions in Forex dominator. And then we'll take a quick look at the US 30. All right. Short positions in Forex dominator. Oh boy. Okay. USD MXN. Sell short signal here. A lot of support. This is the concern here, guys. All right. Getting these shorts down here. All right. So let's take a look at the dollar index. Let's see what it's doing. Okay, so it's pulling up here. It's up right here. Um, with the buying though, with the equity markets, that the dollar could, this might be just a pullback here. The dollar should move lower as the equity markets move higher. So let's see here. All right. So we have a white candle. We've got currently a red candle here. All right. If anyone is trading the dollar pairs, you might want to use a smaller time frame. This is on the daily. All right. The hope is right that red. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right. Right here, that's coming in red. So we need sellers to come back in, push that price down, test support. But just know that we're low in that markdown phase. Okay. Um, USD CAD, dollar CAD is doing well. This is a better setup. All right. It's rejecting, right? Um, um, resistance up here. All right, sellers. That's where sellers came in before here, and here they are coming in here. Here's the sell short signal here. So much better setup. And it's a range trade. All right. So we'll look to come back down to support and then watch it to see if it breaks through support. So dollar CAD, a much better setup there. All right, USD CNH, a good setup here. Sell short signal was here. All right, so good profit here. All right, the hope is that it breaks to support. All right, and looks like it wants to test support. Good support here. This is good support. All right, the goal is break through that support and perhaps come down to more support. Right down. Let's say right about here. Okay, so if we had a target, the target would be down in this area here. All right, complete that right there. All right, USD and okay, USD and okay. Sell short signal here, same thing, very similar to CNH. All right, we just need sellers to come back down, guys. We need to pull back, come back down. A lot of times, these trades will go long and long on the long side, right? Markup phase, and in the markdown phase, they'll go to that moving average and then come back down, just like they did here. All right, went up to that and went down to that moving average, went back up, right? Came back down to the moving average, went back up, came back down to the moving average. Same thing on the short side, but the reverse, right? Go to that moving average and then come back down. So that's what we wanted to do, come back down. And hopefully the target is down here, okay? USD and okay. USD CZK, all right, same thing, all right? Just be patient with it. All right, sell short signal here, a bit of a pullback, all red candles. We need that price, sellers to bring that price down. All right, EURSEK, same thing. All right, it did break support here. All right, the next level of support is down this area in here. All right, so we'll see if it can get to that price. Okay, here. All right. All right. Let's take a quick look. That's all for Forex. Take a quick look at the US 30 now. I'm hoping that our US 30 traders took advantage of a great signal today. Okay. Great signal today. I'm going to ask you, did anyone trade the US 30 today? Please let me know. Please tell me that you did. I know we have some, yep, we have some US 30 traders. So just let me know. You guys can put it in the chat, right? If you traded it. It was a great setup. Saga, you did. Good job. Good job, Saga. Good job. You had a good day. All right. Good job. Good job. Good job. It was a good, just a great setup. All right. So let's talk about that. Good job. All right, US 30, guys, we have a great buy signal here on the US 30. Look at this buy signal. And look here, I want to show you guys this here. Look at the trades in the US 30. This on the 60-minute time frame. Just really good trading here. Here, not a lot here, but still profitable trade here, right? Little profitable trade here, right here. All you have to do is just stay with it, and then we've got a nice big move here. All right, so good job for those of you who took the trade. Hang in there with it because it's not done yet. All right, now the Dow, the US 30 will follow the Dow. All right. So the Dow is breaking out. We have a buy signal on the Dow, right? So this will help, right? That's the Dow, right? The US 30 in the futures market, right? We'll follow that. Look at that price action there. All right. Now on the this should give us um, uh, some confidence in the trade, in the US 30 trade. All right. So here we are, guys. Right. Here we are. We talked about this, right? Looking to break through that resistance right here on the US 30. All right. Right. Here's resistance. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a big push, right? On the daily time frame, buy signal here. Good price action. All right. You don't have to trade it on the daily. You can trade it on the 60-minute that we're doing here, or bring in a smaller time frame, okay? But our US 30 traders, all right, you should be all over this move. We've been sending alerts out, all right, for this trade. So, all right, we don't get these moves every day. So when we get them, we've got to trade them, okay? All right. So good job. Good job, Saga. All right. Good job trading it. And I'm sure you did really, really, really well. If you said you had a good day, I know you had a good day. All right. So good job. Good job. Smaller time frames. You guys can use the smaller time frame, even the 5 minute time frame here. All right. Presented some opportunities here. All right. To trade it, even the 30-minute time frame here. All right. So look at this weekly, daily, 240, 60, 30, 50, and 5 minute, even the 1 minute, guys, even the 1 minute right now is giving some opportunities to trade. I wouldn't be surprised if this move continue tomorrow. All right. So stay with it. Here's the 1 minute right now. All right. So good job. Good job. 520 points for the Dow in 1 day is a big. That's big. So um, I wouldn't look for a pullback, although we could get a pullback tomorrow. All right. Traders should look to might look to continue that trade. Okay. All right. Let's take a quick look at equities. Equities. All right. All right. So equities, stocks. You guys know we've been adding stocks in Stock Boss, Bullmaster, particularly in technology sector. Now I know, just looking, I know the Nas was down today, so don't expect a lot from the technology stocks today. But we'll take a look. Take a look and see. All right. So we'll go through these quickly. Okay. Um, just remember, white candles will stop. Right. Pay attention to those if we need to hold on to them or exit. Red candles, right? Close the trade. White arrow, or which is our sell signal, close the trade also. All right. We need to see green candles and firmly in the markup phase on these. So these are stock boss stocks under $10. All right. So VLRS, that's holding nicely. Your symbol will be up here. All right. And all we want to do, I know we have a lot going on here. All we want to do is focus on that price action here, buy signal here, and your current price action. That's it. All right. All right. We're already in the trade. We're not analyzing the trade to get in. We're already in the trade. We just need to manage it from there. Okay. VLRS looks good. All right. AMSC, right? That looks good. ANGI, that looks good. All right. AVPT, that looks good. All of these are technology. BBA, we got a white candle here. All right. So we got to stop. Let's take a look at the weekly, see what they're doing with that price action on the weekly time frame. All right. White candles here on the weekly, purple support and resistance on the weekly. We'll close this trade here. We do not want trades like this, right? Right here's the buy signal. We're still about break even or take a tiny little loss, right? So let's clean that up. All right. So um, All right. So what is it? BBA closed that trade. BBA closed that trade there. Right here. Okay. All right, let's keep going. All right. BKKT, that's holding. All right. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on it. CBBT, all right, that's holding well. CLSK, that's holding well in the markup phase. DDD, that's holding well. DH, that's holding. INDI, look at INDI, that's holding. Look at IREN, guys. Nice move up. All right. MGNI, that's holding. MTTR, that's holding. MVIS, that's holding. NVTS, that's holding. PRCH, look at that, breaking resistance there. SMRT, that's holding. Now, expect some pullback because the NASDAQ right here, guys, the NASDAQ was down. All right. So expect a bit of a pullback, but they should hold. UIS, that's holding. WISH, that's holding. EGHT, that's holding. All right. GHRX, that's holding. Look at this HNST, guys. Big move today. Look at that candle. Big candle here. All right. All right. ILPT, that's holding firm. That's nice. MCW, that's holding. NDLS, that's holding. Look at NEGG, guys. Nice move higher. NMRK, nice move higher. OPEN, open, nice move higher. All right. QRTEA, a bit of a pullback, all green candles there, nothing to do. FATE, that's holding. VIR has a white candle. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right. Weekly red candles here. All right. In the markdown phase, purple support and resistance. So we'll close this one here. All right. So VIR, close that trade. VIR, close it here. And then we'll close it here. VIR. All right. All right. BBD, that's holding fine, looking to test resistance. BRCC, look at that, breaking resistance there, guys. Good price action. STKL, holding nicely in the markup phase. GPRO, that's holding. Look at this stock. I know these are Nasdaqs. These are tech services, and this one here is non-cyclical, but they're holding. AMBP, all right, that's moving up nicely. All right. BAK, guys, red candle, close that trade. All right, close that trade. BAK, close that trade. Okay, so BAK. All right. All right, HUYA, that's holding. And that's it. All right. So good job, stock boss. Just a few we had to, right, remove. All the rest are fine. All right. Perhaps on next week we'll look to um, add more sectors. Now that we've got a big buy signal on the weekly time frame, all right, we'll look to add more sectors. We'll do that next week. Okay. SNOW, big push, guys. Look at that. Big candle today. All right, close right here. It made it all the way up to resistance there. Okay, SNOW in bull master. That's holding snap. Look at snap, guys. Back gapped up today. Snap gapped up today and just really trading past that resistance. Look at that. Look at that with a lot of potential. Look at that potential up there. Okay. Good trade going there. Snap. Look at GoDaddy continuing to move higher, guys. GDDY, look at that. All right. PANW, look at that, guys. And these are tech, and they push them even with Nasdaq being down today. Okay. Look at another one. STNE, look at that, guys. Nice move there, breaking resistance. KTOS, nice move. DV, good move there, going. All right. PLTR, good move. Uh, SWI, that's holding firm. BRZE, good move there. WCC, right, that's holding. PLAB, that's holding. IAS, that's holding. GPS, all right, big move going there. All right, CRUS, that's holding. SDGR, that's holding firm. All right, PI, that's moving up nicely. TSEM, holding. VRNT, holding. MSTR, that's holding firm. AMD, holding firm. EYE, a bit of a pullback, but holding. DOCN, that's holding. QRTEP, that's holding. CAMT, that's holding. All right. AI, that's holding, guys. MARA, moving up nicely there. RIOT, Riot, back again. All right, holding there. Early break of resistance. MRVL, that's holding. SYM, that's holding there. And CRDO, a bit of a pullback. Keep an eye on this one, guys. This is where it failed before. And look what's happening right here. We're going to put another resistance line up here. All right. So it's having an issue, right? Staying above this area here. This is where sellers came in before, right? Gap down. All right. Lots of selling. This is where sellers came in before. Even this area here, and here, sellers came in. So right now they're rejecting it, right? Gap down today, right? So if anyone is in this, I would say just close it. All right. We'll keep it on here just to see. All right. It does have a green candle, but if anyone is in trading this, just close it. Okay. All right. That was the last one. We're going to go right through, see if we can find some opportunities. Now, I doubt we'll find some opportunities in tech, but we'll take a look. Tech and communication services. Next week, we'll look to add more sectors. Okay. All right. So, Stock Boss. Let's start with Stock Boss here. Let's run it. Oh, 102, guys. 102 stocks in Stock Boss. Okay. So, let's go to technology first. Okay. See if we can find. We're in this one already. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. I think we can do better than this here. All right. IREN. All right. IREN. And that's technology in Stock Boss. Okay. Good buy signal here. Good markdown phase. A lot of consolidation. Even right here, we got a decent markdown phase. Buy signal, right? They're buying. All right. IREN. That's technology. Let's see here. Are we in DDD? I thought yes, we're in DDD. CLVT. Hold on. So we're in CLBT. This is CLVT. All right. This sounds so similar. All right. Let's see here. All right. We'll add this one CLVT Tech in Stock Boss. All right. Now we've got a big buy signal 500 points away from the all-time high. Right. We don't have to be perfect here. All right. All we've got to do is get a decent markdown phase, good buy signal. ANGI, we're in that one. All right, that's it for tech. Communication services. Let's see here. And like I said, next week we'll take a look at adding more sectors. What's that? ILPT. We're in that one. Oh, that's gone. That's gone. Oh, TV. Look at TV, guys. Look at TV. And it's inexpensive too. All right. Decent markdown phase. We do have an area here of consolidation. Okay. But really good buy signal. Look at this markdown phase here. All right. Look at that buy signal. All right. Nice break of resistance here. Big candle. Buy signal right here. Right here on this candle. Buy signal came in at $3.07. All right. We'll definitely add this one. That's TV, as in TV. All right, tech in Stock Boss. All right. I'm sorry, not where am I? Hold on. Yeah. All right. Yep. All right. So TV. BIG. We need that candle. You guys see that candle here? All right. Big candle, but it didn't close. All right. They brought that price all the way back down here. So they're not convinced yet. So we'll wait for this. For big. All right, BND, we'll add that one. BND. All right, that's tech in Stock Boss. All right, guys, I know we have a lot of these. You don't have to trade them, but you can follow them, right, and learn from how we do this. Okay, that's the idea. That's why we go through open. That's why we go through this. Okay. OPI doesn't necessarily mean you're going to trade all of these. OPI, all right. So we'll add that OPI tech in Stock Boss. Okay. It's just holding there, right? Holding right at resistance here. So hopefully we can get buyers to continue to move that price up there. OPI. Did I say tech? No. Communication services. Okay. So, all right. OPI. A few more here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Okay. Bullmaster. Let's go through Bullmaster. Hopefully we have a chance to take a look at Forex. Always remember your time frames, right? So our Stock Boss traders, All right. All right. You can also trade them on your smaller time frames. Just remember that. Bullmaster, let's run it. We should have more in Bullmaster than Stock Boss. Yeah, we do. 139. So 139 in Bullmaster. Let's go here. So we'll start with tech. Oh, there's a lot in tech. All right. We'll go through this quickly, guys. All right. All right. AMBA. Oh, not a bad range trade. All right. So support is down here. We have a nice buy signal. All right. We can certainly, right, try to get back to resistance up here. Good markdown phase. Right. Nice accumulation breaking out. AMBA. And that's tech in Bullmaster. And we'll send these out to our traders after the class. All right. CRM, that's gone. All right. S. All right. We're going to add S. Nice. Breaking out here nicely here. S. Tech in Bull Master. All right. Again, we don't have to be absolutely perfect, right? Right now, right? We are buying. They're definitely buying, moving price higher. VIX is lower, right? So we don't have to be absolutely perfect, right? Snap is gone. We're in that snow. We're in snow. It's gone. PANW, we're in that one. STNE, we're in that one. We're in that one. We're in a lot of these already. NOVA, 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 horrible chart. All right. UYOU. Let's take a look at U. Oh, horrible chart, guys. Still technology, no buy signal here. MARA, we're in that one here. No buy signal. BE, let's see here. Horrible chart. No direction there. HUBS. HUBS. All right, we'll add that one. Let's make sure we're not in it. HUBS, that's a reaccumulation. Nice pullback here. Look at the last previous buy signal, guys, from here all the way up to here. Let's take a quick look at the weekly. Take a look at the potential. All right, so it's pullback. All right, made a high up here. Now it's expensive, so calls, okay. Nice green candle coming in on the wick there, okay. So they're buying it there. All right, so HUBS. I think we'll stop with Bull Master this evening, guys. Get you guys out of here on time. HUBS. Our Forex traders. I'll take a look. And if we have any signals, we'll send those out. Okay. HUBS. Let's see here. AYX, horrible chart. Nothing here. Nothing here. FVRI. FVRR. All right, we'll add that. FVRR. That's Fiverr. FVRR. Tech in Bullmaster. All right. Nice support, guys. Support right about here, breaking out. We do have purple support and resistance, but we're going to expect that in the markdown phase, okay? It's trying to accumulate there. All right, that's gone. That's GoDaddy. All right, so that's it for tech. Let's go through communication services and we'll be done. That's gone. Nothing here. TAL, that's gone. They're moving him. ETSY. I don't believe we're in this one. ETSY. Let's take a look here. All right. You could get a trade, guys, back up to this area here. All right. Not a bad entry here. Good support. Almost similar to this buy signal there. Okay. So ETSY. And that is communication services, ComServe in Bullmaster. Okay. We should be done right on time. BYON. All right. BYON. We'll add that. All right. All right. That's gone. KRC. All right. We're going to add that. KRC. ComServe in Bullmaster. KRC. That gapped up. FL gapped up. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. All right. ULTA. All right. ULTA. Right. Hopefully it can get back up to this area here. All right. Remember Zaire's V, right? That's your V right there. Hopefully it can get back up to this area here. Expensive, right? But calls. If you guys gonna do it, calls. Okay. So ULTA. All right. ComServe. That's Bullmaster. ULTA. GPS, I believe we're in this one. Yep, look at that move there. Almost done, guys. Get you guys out of here right on time. All right, CCI. All right, good job there. AMT, good job. BA. Are we in this one? All right, we're not in this. Let's take a look here. All right, so I know this looks like it has a lot of consolidation here, but we've got really smooth price action, guys. So this is fine. All right, now it's a range trade. All right, but we hope that it breaks out, right, at that resistance. So we have support here, pretty good support here. All right, holding. All right, we don't count this here. So pretty good support here, buy signal here, almost similar to this buy signal. We have resistance here. All right, so it is a range trade, and the goal is, all right, so resistance, support, buy signal here. The goal is to get back up to resistance, and then pay attention. Hopefully it breaks out. So we'll add this AMBA, ComServe, and that's Bullmaster. All right, because it's over $10, $58. It's trading at. Okay. All right. Oh no, we did AMBA already. All right, so we're back at tech. All right, so we're ready in AMBA. Okay, that's it. That's it. All right, right on time. Right on time. Okay, guys. Um, Good price action. I mean, really good. Look at this. I mean, this is amazing. Do not pay attention to anyone out there who's telling you the market is crashing. The equity markets, the stock market is not crashing. Okay. Not right now. Not based on what we see right here. Right. They're definitely buying. All right. We've talked about the Christmas rally. Okay. This could be the Christmas rally. All right. They're buying. All right. They're definitely buying. This is how close we are to the all time high. The market has never been here before. Okay. So, go back to these videos. Those of you, especially if you're new, right? Like Weavely, you knew, go back to the videos and see, right? We number those videos, right? The live sessions for a reason so that you guys could go back and see the progression. Okay. All right. You can see that we track it, track that price action. All right. There's a good chance that, hey, tomorrow, next week, all right, if the buyers hold, we could be breaking this resistance in a big way. And those stocks that we've been adding, talking about, they will move higher. All right. 80 to 90% of the stocks out there will follow the overall market. All right. The overall market and the indexes and the sectors. Okay. So, all right. So, market isn't crashing. All right. So, we miss out, right? If we stay on the sidelines, miss out on these opportunities, guess what? Right. We don't make any money. Okay. And that's the name of the game. So, good price action here. Our US 30 traders. All right. Um, just remember here, no shorting, no shorting. All right, long, long, long. Right. Remember what Zaire said. Right. Here is that V. Right, from here to here to the bottom here. Here is that V Zaire talks about. All right, and here we are right here, back at resistance. Okay, so the goal now to see, just you can, it's on a 60-minute. Hey, if selling comes in on a 60-minute, we'll see that, right? And we'll get out. All right. Or you can reduce it to a 30-minute, 15-minute time frame. All right. But the goal is hold on, see if we can break through that resistance and continue to move higher. The NAS, I talked about, we had some selling in the NAS. All right. So in the NAS 100, I told you guys we'd be done. So NAS 100, we had some selling. So just hold off on the NAS for right now. All right. It's consolidating between support and resistance. No buy signal. Don't do any shorts. All right. No buy signal. It's resting right here. Right. Wants to make up its mind. Right. If it's going to break through that resistance or if sellers are going to come in. So just stay off the NAS for now. And then the S&P, hold on. S&P right here. All right. Same thing for the S&P, but S&P looks like it wants to break out. So wait for a buy signal on the S&P. All right, guys. All right. And Saga, good job. Good job. I'm going to call you when I'm done. Hold on, Saga. Can you? Okay, you disconnected. Okay, I'm going to call you. Find out how you did today. All right. Solomon, I didn't hear from you. All right. All right. So, guys, take advantage, especially our Monster US 30 traders. Take advantage of that move. Okay. All right. So, great move going here. Right. Take advantage of that move right here. All right. All right, guys. I will see you guys. I see you guys on Sunday. Take care. Bye bye.